In this video, we will find out some interesting Revit functions of the RAUPIANO Plus bend family. In the gallery project, you can find all possible bends that can be supplied by REHAU. With the RAUPIANO Plus bend family, you can draw any angle even if it's not supplied by REHAU. In this case, you will receive a warning and an exclamation mark. You can easily find the customized families either by using the REHAU validation view or by noting the families which have the note "No article found." Thanks to the angle check parameter, you can still provide the correct information even if you have used a 90 degrees bend instead of 87 degrees. RAUPIANO Plus families are easy to be configured. With just one click, you can reverse the direction using the instance parameter ReFlip. With just one click, you can also specify whether a bend is a swept one or a normal one. Please note that swept bends are only available for certain dimensions. You can also control the visibility of pipe sockets either only for the selected family by activating or deactivating the instance parameter RePipeSocket, or for all fitting in the opened view by pressing VV on your keyboard, searching for the fitting category, and then for the subcategory pipe socket. In the next video, we will find out the Revit functions of the RAUPIANO Plus offset branch family. Thanks for watching. You can find more BIM tips and tricks on the BIM at REHAU channel.